You guys, this is really important. Here, put that back in for me, Sloan. So we all know we need to clean our dryers out. You guys, get the lint out of there. And my dryer's not working well, so I pull this out. I clean this every time. So show them, Sloan. Pull that out. You clean that every time, right? Okay, we won't show that. But what we need to do is get in there with this, Sloan. Push it in. Now I'm having my daughter help me because her hands are so tiny. And there's probably other ways to get to it. But you know what? If you have a kid, put them to work. Okay, so watch what she's pulling out here. Reach your hand in, Sloan. Yeah, reach it in. Oh my gosh, look at this pile she's making right here. Okay, keep going. Is there any more in there? Reach your little hand in there. You've got to do this. You got, oh, what? I was putting my hand in and I was getting all red because it was cutting the side, not cutting it, but scraping on it. What'd you find? Garbage? Little plastic? Anything else in there? I love these little hands can just go sliding in and reach in for all the lint. And you can also like just use something like this. Show them what you're using, like a little skewer to break things up. Oh my goodness. Let me see that. What? This is why the dryer's not working. And this can cause fires. Everyone, we got to clean our dryers out. Not just the minimum where you're just pulling the screen out every time. That's just minimum. This is next level. And do you feel anything else when you jam in there, Sloan? Sloan's my helper for the day. Okay, so I'm back. So look here. Look at all the stuff you saw of my daughter helping me with, right? Pulling all of this lint out, using the skewer, going inside there, breaking up the lint. Of course, if you don't have a kid with a small hand, you know, you're not out of luck. We have other options, right? But we want to break up that lint in there. And then I got to remind folks, make sure you're unplug your dryer. Okay, let's be safe while we're doing this kind of work. So you're breaking that up. You're pulling out as much as you can. It's hard for you if you have bigger hands. I ended up cutting my hand. But anyway, now I got my shop vac. I got a narrow attachment. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Get in there. Suck up some of the excess. And I can go poke around in there. You can feel, even with this skewer, you can use like a paint stick. You can use like a long screwdriver. You just go in there and you can feel if there's any more lint hanging out, and you can break it up a little more and then go back in there with your shop vac. Hey, so next level, right? We cleaned out the vent. We did that extra cleaning of the vent with the vacuum and everything, the shop vac. So now I came back behind the dryer, and here's the dryer vent, right? So I'm gonna pop this off. Do you ever come back here and do this? Because I don't typically. So here we go. We got to do this. This one opens up like so, and I can pop it off. Look at that. Okay, can you come over here? Let me see this. I'm gonna get a little close-up of that situation. Oh my gosh, you guys, fire hazard. I'm gonna reach in. Oh no. Look at that, wow. Sand, we live by the beach, as you can see. We got tons of sand and lint. And now I'm gonna just pull out what I can here, right? And got another whole pile. Our dryer, you guys, was not working efficiently at all. Like 3 hours later, I'm still trying to dry some laundry. Not cool. But you know, not only that, but we're looking at fire hazard. So look in here. Next step is getting in there and cleaning out some of this this part of the duct, and maybe even go to the other side of the house. I'm just taking you through bits today just to show you how important it is to really just come in here every so often, get a good cleaning. All right. Just want to get in there and show you all. I don't know if you can see, but now I'm shining my light in.